Biafra Liberation Army commander send message to Peter Obi and DOS. No be small thing, no, things are happening. They say the government don invade Enugu community and they kill person for the inside the community. No be small thing. Hello my wonderful people. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Okay, if na today na the first day wey you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Oya, make you no forget to make you go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also follow this page for more updates. You know, say as we dey upload am, you go be the first person to dey get am. It can only happen only when you turn your notification bell on the both sides, so that once we upload, you go get am immediately. No be small thing o. They say katakata, they say kasala don burst and that say that water don pass garri o. Okay my people, may you stay tuned, may we read that the ogbonge news wey we get for hand today as e dey shele na so we dey bring am dey come. One Biafra Liberation Army don come outside. Im say na im be the commander of Biafra Liberation Army. Commander Igwe as he introduced himself in this video that we are going to play for you here to watch. And he also sent some message go give Peter Obi, say make him join him brothers fight for once. And he said US they know they get am well o. This one pass me. Okay my people, we go play you the video of wetin the Biafra Liberation Army commander talk, then we go come back continue. Oya, may you watch the video.
I don't come again, live and direct. I have come gidibam, and we have stand gidibam. All lovers of Biafran all over the world, I want to thank you and to appreciate each and every one of you once again. Being today, 9th day of September 2023, or Saturday. Asim kam were oheroma were make our people watakwa na inokwa gidibam. And also, I must to keep on telling the truth, because the truth always pains. It's very painful for those that are corrupting the country. I want to clear everyone and make everyone to know and understand that we are Biafrans. And also, I want to give honor to Biafran nation and to honor the Chief of Army Staff Biafran nation, Butozo, Odegumoka, Ikenga, ala Biafra. I worship you. Daluriana, Giwabo Ezendi Eze, la Biafra. Omagembaga, DOS Ebetegielakwa, the all enemies of Biafrans, Ebetegielakwa. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to honor my master, King Zuma the Rock, Oken Nalalimo State. I honored you. All the hatred, all the enemies of Biafrans can never get you, and they can never stop you not to excel. I want to appreciate you. All lovers of Biafra, once again, I come online again. Being 9th of September 2023, Saturday. This is live and direct. Current. I want to make it clearly for our people to understand, because I, Igwe Obata Obie, names are too much, and I am the Igwe Obata Obie, one of Igwe at large. I want to tell our people and make our people to understand that Biafrans is not a freedom that the government can give to us. It is only Chukwokika Biama who created the Biafrans, that have already blessed Biafrans, that will give us our freedom. Not the country to give us our freedom. We are the one to take our freedom, and these days, I strongly understand the word that says, the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and it is only the violent that can take it by force. These days we are fully out to take it by force. And I want the people, the nation to understand, the people that are speaking, we are the Biafra Revolution Army, and in advance, we are fighting for the land, for the goodness of our people. We are there to protect life and the properties. And I want to talk of tribunal ruling of a thing that has been happening, going on ground in our land. Peter Obi, ibezi nwa afọ Igbo, but ị naghị ebe ndụ dịka nwa afọ Igbo. Peter Obi, ịbụ nwa afọ Igbo, mana Hausa Fulanis Janjaweed can I deceive our regarding. Can't you understand simple game? Is it not that the same government that discharged and acquitted Nnamdi Kanu, that are still holding Nnamdi Kanu, that you are lying on? Is it not that the same government? Can't you reason? Don't you think? You are spending your money for nonsense. You are spending your money unnecessarily. You are spending your money focusing and thinking that they will give you the president. How do you think that will be possible? Can that be possible? An Igbo man, full Igbo man, to be a president of this nation? And you are thinking that. Don't you remember that these people is in agreement and they are flowing that the agreement, and you are thinking that they will give you the president? How do you think that can be possible? Now I want to let you know this. Igwe Obatobi, one of Igwe. I want to tell you this, and I want to let you understand this. It is better for you to step back and reason. Seek for your people and look for your people. No retreat, no surrender. We are the Biafran army. We are the Biafran Revolution Army. We are not afraid of any vagabonds. We are not afraid of any man. The only man that we can be afraid of is Chukwu Okike Abiama. Ekekere eluigwe kee ụwa. Onye ahụ nke pụrụ igbu anụ arụ a ma gbukwe mkpụrụ obi. That is the only man we can be afraid of. You are just wasting your time. You people doesn't reason. Igbos, what is happening to us? Upon that, all the secret things that Hausas has against us has been exposed. They have been saying it by themselves. They have been confessing it out. Telling you that it is only Igbo man that can conquer an Igbo man. And they have been using you people against your own people. They have been using you people against us. Now look at how they have been bribing so-called DOS. Stupid and element people, stupid people, hopeless idiots, calls themselves DOS. Let me tell you people that calls yourself DOS.
Welcome back, my people. As you have watched that video and heard everything that he said concerning Peter Obi and the ones he said concerning DOS as well. I want you to leave a comment respectfully and tell us what you think about what he said. Do you giving him your support, or do you have your own agreement of what he said? Just drop a comment below and let us know what you think about everything he said in this particular video. My people, now so we'll see more, and I will say more bring and come show you. Now be smarting. They say government don't invade one community where they for Enugu. We'll go ahead, go look into it, more know wetin happen for that side and which time take happen. They say government have reportedly invaded village in Nenwe community and the local government area of Enugu State and key 3 villagers. The masked gunmen was reportedly to have invaded the community on Saturday morning. This thing actually happened on Saturday morning. So if you are my fans here and you're from Enugu State, and they are from Nenwe community. So please indicate, let us know what is going on in this particular village. Is it government? Is it any battle between the villagers, or the government purposely come and adopted and killed those people? So what is really going on there? Or is it a terrorist attack? We want to know the full details of what is happening in your community. Okay, my people, no be small thing o. Na so we see am for this matter, and now we say more bring am come give you. Stay tuned as we dey bring you more updates. Abeg, anything wey be your opinion, make you drop am for comment section.